After the groundbreaking work of Thales of Miletus, who is considered the first scientist in history, the next notable thinker and scientist to carry the torch of inquiry was Anaximander, born around 610 BC in the ancient Greek city of Miletus. He was a student of Thales and one of the earliest philosophers to attempt explaining the universe in rational and natural terms rather than relying on myths or the supernatural. Anaximander is most famous for his pioneering ideas in cosmology, geography, and biology. He proposed that the Earth floats freely in space without support, unlike the common belief of the time that it rested on something solid, and he imagined it as a cylindrical shape suspended in the void, which was revolutionary thinking for his era. He also created one of the first known maps of the world, attempting to chart the lands known to the Greeks, which helped lay the foundation for the field of geography. Anaximander also speculated on the origins of life, suggesting that living beings emerged from the moisture of the earth and that the first animals developed in water and later adapted to live on land, an idea that hinted at evolution centuries before Darwin. In mathematics, Anaximander worked on understanding the principles of geometry and measurement, and he is credited with improving the gnomon, a simple sundial, to track time and study the movement of the sun. In astronomy, he theorized that the stars, sun, and moon rotate around the earth at different distances, which was a significant step in trying to explain celestial phenomena through natural laws rather than myth. Anaximander's thinking was deeply philosophical yet practical, and he encouraged observation, logic, and reasoning as tools to understand the world. This approach marked a clear progression from his teacher Thales, who identified water as the primary element, to Anaximander, who sought a more abstract concept, which he called the apeiron, meaning the boundless or infinite, a substance that is eternal and encompasses everything. This idea was groundbreaking because it proposed a single principle behind the universe that is not a tangible element but an infinite source from which all things arise and eventually return. Anaximander's influence extended far beyond his lifetime, inspiring later Greek thinkers such as Anaximenes, Heraclitus, and ultimately Aristotle. He played a critical role in the transition from mythological explanations to rational scientific inquiry. His contributions are remembered as foundational steps in philosophy, science, and mathematics. Today we honor Anaximander not just as a student of Thales but as a visionary who expanded human understanding of the cosmos, biology, and the earth, and who helped humanity take the next important step on the long journey of scientific thought. His curiosity, bold ideas, and willingness to question established beliefs make him one of the earliest true scientists in history, and his story reminds us that progress in science is built upon the ideas of those who dare to look beyond the known and imagine what lies beyond. Thus Anaximander stands as a legendary figure in the annals of science, bridging the pioneering insights of Thales to the future generations of thinkers who shaped the world we know today.